I'm going to do a quick video. It's going to be the unboxing of the Holtz Pharma G660. This is the G660 Pro, carbon dipped. This packaged, gotta say, took a quick look, and it is packaged very nicely for what it is. Mixing bottle. This is going to be a wrap handle. And this is what separates the Pro from the standard. So you're getting a Walbro carb, Meteor piston. Guess this is a beefed up cylinder. I don't know if it's going to be stamped Meteor or not. NGK spark plug, larger sprocket cover, wrap handle, and a stronger handle grip, whatever that means. So you have your tools here. Let's see what this is. That's going to be the handle screws, felling spikes. That's going to be your dogs. Marked toolkit. And that is your rolling chain catcher and the hardware for the dogs. Handlebar, standard scrunch, carb adjustment screwdriver, and a T27 Torx. And there is the beauty itself right there. I want to pause this. And there it is in all of its beauty. It's also got the tank protector. A lot of people think this carbon's real cheesy. But I gotta say, I kind of like it. See how it trigger doesn't feel that bad. Doesn't feel that chintzy. Third generation. So that is it. I'm going to put the handlebar on and give you a final look.